wait, if you want to write down the other language as well which you are good at, so you can write down here by writing Urdu as my, and I am master as my Urdu is very much good as I am, my mother language is Urdu as well. If you want to add other, you can add other, but I'm not going to do this. And now you can check it out, my information has been come there. And now this is very main important question: are you available for the upload for the how much hour? So you can choose or you can check according your timely manner. If you are currently working at home and looking for the job, then you are free for the whole week, so you can write anything which sets you. I'm going to write more than 30 hours. Oops, I have added that shows that I need to write overview. Since that was your homework, so you need to write down the overview of yours. I'm just writing down the few dummy words so that I can go to the other profile work to give you the true essence about how things will be working now. So I'm just writing it out, the dummy data, and here now I can move forward to do the rest of the page. Now I will continue with save and continue to the other page. Now I'm waiting, and now you can check it out that I'm in the level 2. Now you have to choose your experience. Either you are entry level, intermediate, or you are general next string, or either you are expert. So that solely depends upon you, who you are. When you will click on that hover, it will be linked. As I am very much main important thing to write down your employment history. It is optional, but I would prefer you to write down each and every detail. That will not only make your profile 100%, but it will also give right point to complete. For example, I am writing Microsoft, and I am going to write down the location of Microsoft where I have worked, the title, and yes, I will select what was my role there, and the period from when I started working for Microsoft. And here's the option: I currently work here, and you need to write down the description as well. Well, it is optional, but if you write down or if you have a time, then it's very much good. If you want to save and add other, you can do it also. For example, I'm going to write down another job, and title, my role at Twitter, the duration of my job, and that's it. Now if you want to add another, you can add, but right now I'm just clicking on the saving, so that I will go to the now I'm going to the previous page, and there you go, I am on the previous page. Now you can check it out that I have added the employment and I can add or remove anytime. Now I'm going to write down my education, and here I will write my information of my recent education from which university I have completed my graduation. I'm going to write I have completed from University of Karachi. Since my course is online, and if you don't know where Karachi is in Pakistan, and you don't need to hurry or bullet regarding Pakistan, because Pakistan is now currently working good in the IT and sector. So meanwhile, I have write down the information of my tenure, and now I'm going to write down the degree. And as you can see that when I click on the degree, the intelligence has opened up, and I'm going to choose my education. Now I'm choosing my education, and now I will write down the area of study. There will intelligence open up for me so that I can find out easily. So I am going to write down my area of study for you, and the intelligence has come up and I have chosen it. Now if you want to write down the description, you can write down, or if you want to add other, you can add other, but I'm going to just save education, and there you go, the notification has comes up. And now you can write down your ad certification. Now it's very much unique. For example, if you have the Adobe certification or any other certification from the prestigious organization, then you can click it up and enter the unique code. But if you have the other, then you can click on the other and you can write down the certification. For example, Udemy is not listed in that particular certification column, so I'm going to write down the other certification name and I'm going to click on the Udemy certification. Oh well, Udemy. And yes, these are the features that I have made for you to give you clear, concise view. And you can write down the description of your certification as well. For example, what you have learned from that particular manner. And you will choose the date and time at what date. And for example, if you have the submission code, you can write down. Oh, you need to write down a description, so I'm going to write down the dummy data. But when you will write down here, you need to upload the genuine content for you and click add certification. Now you can check it out that I have added one certification of Become a Freelancer.